dancing doll. I'll teach you how to make it at home. Okay? See the balloon. It will just dance like this. If you want, you can keep it for birthday parties or decorations, or if some guests are coming to your home. Okay, so now I'll teach you how to make this. Friends, so the material required for this balloon trick are one coin. You need one coin, and you need one balloon, and you need rubber band. So first you need the balloon, and now you have to put the coin in the balloon. So first you shall fold it like this. See, you shall fold it like this. You shall fold it till here, and now you can open it and you can easily put the coin in it. See, and now you have to make it in the same position. And now you have to take out all of the edge, and you need one rubber band. I'll take this rubber band. See, and now we need to put the coin in correct position. Okay? And now we'll put the rubber band. And now I will set. And now you see how to tie the rubber band. See, you just do like this, and then you again do like this. Then you again fold it, and then you do like this. Yes, so now we will fold it again. We'll fold the balloon inside out. See. And now you will just take it like this, and you will take out the coin. See, after taking out the coin, you can make this nice, and then you can blow. First you do it up, and then I'll blow. See friends, so now I'll put some tape, okay? I'll seal it nicely. So friends, now our dancing doll is ready. See how it will dance. So see friends, now I'll write something. You can write what you want. Okay? So friends, I wrote happy birthday, and now this will dance. And it will look nice if you have birthdays, or you can make a welcome balloon like this. And you can put one smiley, okay? So friends, see, I'll show you by moving them too. See. Friends, I have made some more dancing dolls. See. See, I have made some more dancing dolls. and these will move like this. Friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is the end of the video. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.